So what is an organic Rankine cycle generator? An organic Rankine cycle generator is just like a normal coal-fired power plant, except instead of using water, we use propane, and propane has a boiling point of minus 40 degrees Celsius. It's 100% closed loop, and because we are using a fluid with such a low boiling point in our generator, we can use industrial waste heat so that we can generate power without burning anything. We just take waste heat from the industrial process, and that goes into our organic fluid, which then boils and turns the turbine. And I'm building one. once I'm finished doing the leak check and the pressure check on the whole chamber, and I'm making sure that there's absolutely no leaks and I can vacuum it and get all the oxygen out, then we're going to run the Tesla turbine on ethylene. The reason why we're going to run him on ethylene is because of the viscosity of the ethylene and how the ethylene will grab the discs and the blades of the Tesla turbine. Each one of these inlet ports has an inlet jet inside them, and each inlet port, there are 8 of them. There's number 5, number 6, number 7, and number 8. We've got 1 through 4 on the other side. They each have an actuation cable for the solenoids, and they are running on these toggle switches. Just below the Tesla turbine, we have a double counterflow heat exchanger system where the working fluid will come out of the exhaust and then it'll be rapidly chilled down to liquefy. Once it has liquefied, it will then go through the AUC pump, which will pump it back up to pressure, which will then allow it to go to the heat source where it will pick up heat energy so that we can spin the turbine again. These double counterflow heat exchangers that I made are actually 2 plate heat exchangers, one over here and one over here, and they are built inside a 250 millimeter PVC pipe, which has been vacuumed, and it's held its vacuum now for I think it's 4 months already, and it's still got a convex lid, so the vacuum is still strong. And what's going to happen is the organic Rankine cycle fluid, actually the ethylene eventually, is going to go in here and it's going to get pre-chilled by another process that we're using, and then it's going to get chilled by a cryochiller so that it can liquefy, and once the ethylene liquefies, it'll go to the AUC pump, and then it'll go to its heat source to pick up heat energy. That's what we're doing. Each one of the injector solenoids has got a cable that goes to the connection box, which then goes to the switches. And yes, I'm going for a bit of Airwolf vibes, like
drop that.
underneath this blanket, my favorite blanket in the whole world, is an incredible piece of machinery. It is a new type of hazard. I call it a FAP hazard because if you see what this thing can do. This is my AUC pump. I bought it from UK, where some of the best pumps get made in the world. This pump can pump a minus 40 degrees Celsius liquid from 1 atmosphere up to 103 atmospheres of pressure. Look at this. Oh! So what is an organic Rankine cycle generator? Now,